I shall not want. He makes me to lie down. He makes me. Some of you cannot be made, and nobody can tell you what to do with your life. He makes you. In other words, the sheep doesn't want to be made. He doesn't want to be told what to do. But the shepherd makes him lie down in what? In what? Green pastures, where there is a lot of fertility, where there's a lot of growth. What can be done for you to be successful? Are you here? You are not here. Are you here? You are not here. I know a lot of people who came to church and they didn't even know their profession. Today they know their profession left, right, center, and that is what they are even using to fight the church. Because when you come, you have to cause you to discover what you can do to become successful. Are you here? You are not here. Are you sure you are here? Good. So he makes you lie down. And then, like I've said this several times, many people, if you want to tell the truth, you know that most of you, for you to go to school, they have to force you. Your parents had to force you to go to school. I know somebody here that the parents had to pull her on the floor to go to university. And she's here. Menka. Legon or suicide. I know you heard that. America or no school. That people are like that. Either you give me this or nothing. And it takes a good shepherd to say that, this is what you must do. And it is later on in life, and those of you that came for training, that we listened to a message yesterday, Friday, right? We listened on pressure. We learned on pressure. If you can't have people giving you pressure in life, you are not ready for something. Because naturally, the human being is lazy. Naturally, that's why we all love sleep. Naturally. That's why right down from the day you were born, you left your mother's house or your father's house. As soon as you enter school, they give you timetable to control your life. They even told you when you take breakfast, when you take lunch, and every day a bell is ringing. Some of you, the bell has stopped ringing. It must be ringing in your head. Now you don't need timetable on paper, but you need a timetable in the brain to govern your life. And you need somebody who can tell you that you said you would do this. Why have you not done it? And say, who says it's your bravo? Let me tell you something. Do you know that if you fail in life, you'll be a burden on me? And if you succeed, I will enjoy. So I'll choose the one that you succeed with. I don't want to wahala. I don't want to see you one day, you see me in town, say, Pastor, please, can you give me money to buy cocoa? You know, I've been in church for 10 years.